country I'm in till she comes at night. She got a neon green pants and me looking right. She's pulling in her covers, her aim is there a long time. Watch out Tennessee, she's drinking Kentucky. Good God Almighty, my baby's feeling country. Feeling country. Feeling country.
Let's learn Feelin Country. It's choreographed by Marc Andre Beaudoin. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with a restart on wall 8 after 24 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart, then we're going to go through and dance 9 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Feelin Country. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do toe struts forward, so you're going to take your right toe, touch it forward, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. Touch your left toe forward, drop your left heel, taking weight onto your left foot. Now repeat that with your right. Right toe forward, drop your heel, left toe forward, drop your heel. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your toe struts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do 2 kicks forward, kick, right, right. You're now going to rock back with your right foot and recover onto your left. Step forward with your right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Then you're going to stomp your right foot slightly forward and then stomp your left next to your right about shoulder width apart. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're going to do your double kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do heel toe heel swivels to the right and the left. So you're going to slightly bend both knees, swivel both heels to the right, swivel both toes to the right, swivel both heels to the right, and you're going to hold and clap your hands. We're now going to swivel both heels to the left, swivel both toes to the left, swivel both heels to the left, and clap your hands. When you finish the swivel, you want to make sure that your weight is on your left foot to go into the next section. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is split, we just stomped. You're going to do your heel, toe, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a Monterey quarter turn. So you're going to point your right toe to the right side, slightly angling your body to the left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, turning on your left foot and stepping your right next to your left to face 9 o'clock. Point your left toe to the left side and step your left next to your right. We're now going to do a big step to the right, dragging your left toe into your right, and then step your left next to your right and hold, putting weight onto your left foot so that you can start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your Monterey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. end of dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your toe strut. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Kick, kick, rock back, recover, step, half pivot, stomp, stomp. Heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels, Monterey quarter turn. Now your big step and drag and stomp, hold. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your toe struts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. You'll be doing the 8th wall, so that will be facing 3 o'clock. You're going to dance 24 counts, which is up to your heels, toes, heels. And after that, you're going to restart the dance facing 9 o'clock. And then that will become wall 9. So we're going to skip the front wall when we come back to do the 3rd rotation. So let's try that with some steps. We're going to dance up to that restart so that you know where it happens, starting with your toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Kick, kick, rock back, recover, half pivot, stomp, stomp. Heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels. Right here, making sure that your weight is on your left foot, you're going to start the dance over again doing your toe struts. And that is the only restart that you have to worry about in the whole dance. Now the dance does end facing 6 o'clock. If you're somebody that likes to end facing 12 or would like to do a big finish, what I like to do is after my stomp, I just do a step half pivot to end facing 12 o'clock. If you are okay with ending facing the back wall, that's fine as well. So if you're choosing to do it, you'll be facing 6 o'clock. You'll do that big step to the right, stomp, and then do a step half pivot to end facing 12 o'clock if you would like to add on an ending. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 9 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restart into the next wall. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your toe strut. So it's toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Kick, kick, rock back, recover, half pivot, stomp, stomp. Heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels, Monterey quarter turn. Now your big steps, stop together, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe strut. Now your kick, 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 rock back, recover, half pivot, stomp, stomp. Heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels, Monterey quarter turn. And your big step, stomp. Start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe struts. Now your kick, rock back, recover. Half pivot, 2 stomps. Heels, toes, heels. Heels, toes, heels. Monterey quarter turn. Now your big step together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe struts. Now your double kick, rock back, recover, half pivot, 2 stomps. Heels, toes. Monterey quarter turn. And your step together. You're going to dance 24 counts, then restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. You'll go around one more time, approximately after that restart. So you'll do your whole rotation. When you come back to the front, you'll have one more ending at the back. And that's where you can add on the ending if you choose, or you can end facing 6 o'clock, that choice is yours. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Feelin Country. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Country, I mean, till she called at night. She got me on green, dance for me, looking right. She's pulling in her Tacovas, her anger's better hold on tight. Watch out, Tennessee, she's drinking Kentucky. Good God Almighty, my baby's feeling country. Country, I mean, till she called at night. She got me on green, dance for me, looking right. She's pulling in her Tacovas, her anger's better hold on tight. Watch out, Tennessee, she's drinking Kentucky. Good God Almighty, my baby's feeling country.